Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for December 15th to the 27th. For December 15th to the 19th, we have a trough here forecast across Alaska, and we also have one across the southern U.S. And positive height anomalies are forecast across much of Canada. You can see here, and as we go through much of the period, you see that it covers much of Canada and the U.S. The AO is currently neutral, but it's predicted to trend positive to positive values for next week, then remain near neutral. The current AO is reflective of mixed geopotential height anomalies across the Arctic. You see it here, and mixed geopotential height anomalies across the mid-latitudes. You can see here we have above and below here. The NAO is currently neutral with weak positive geoheight anomalies across Greenland and Iceland. You see it right here. And also mixed anomalies across here. We have negative height anomalies here, positive. So this is how we're expecting the pattern to look like. We look at the GFS and we'll just scan through the models here. They're all pretty much in agreement. And following a deep system exiting the Atlantic, the mid-Atlantic region, drier air will follow. However, the northwest will remain active with a strong Pacific jet sending several Pacific systems inland. Let me see if I have the models working. All right, we'll try to take a quick look. Inland. Precipitation and winds will occur from Northern California to the northwest, and the higher elevations of the northwest will experience the highest precipitation. So we're going to look here. This will be Friday. Here's the beginning of it. The maps aren't working the way they're supposed to. But this is Friday. This is the GEFS. And then we'll look at Sunday at 7 a.m. See, here's the heaviest precipitation here moving in. And then we'll look at 1 a.m. Monday morning. It's moving inland. Then we'll look at, we'll say 7 p.m. Monday night. And it kind of dissipates. But here's the next system starting to move in. Now this is the GEFS. Now we'll look at the, let's see, the European. We'll try 1 a.m. Friday morning. Whoops, that's the wrong map. See, they're all, this is the GFS. So I'm just showing you quickly here. The maps aren't working the way. I can't go further with this. So anyway, the highest elevations will see the greatest precipitation. December 18th to the 22nd. Here we are at the 18th. Trough forecast over Alaska and the Gulf of Alaska and a ridge in the west. And some of the models are indicating some kind of a trough here in the east. Now this is GFS. It has a weakness down here. And then we'll go forward in time. We'll go to the 22nd. Then we look at the rest of the models. You can start seeing like a little bit of a dip here. So overall, for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for much of the nation. And a forecast anomalies of at least 6 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here and for a portion of the mid-Atlantic. And the probability of occurrence is 40%. And then below normal precipitation forecast here, probability of occurrence is 45%. Now the period for December 23rd to 27th. Here's the 23rd. Now, during this time, a change will be coming to the pattern again. It might be occurring later after this period. It'll be sometime right after Christmas. We're expecting the heights to build across the polar region, you see here, and which the AO will trend towards negative late in the month, allowing cold air for the Midwest and Northeast and Southeast. Most of the models are indicating this, But the European ensembles, let me see if I can find it. Here it is. Has above normal heights, almost as on flow across much of the nation, but below normal here. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting, again, above normal temperatures for much of the nation. I'm forecasting anomalies of 6 degrees or more. And then near to below normal temperatures of forecast here, temperatures will be either side of normal along the East Coast states. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35%. And then we have above normal precipitation forecast for much of this area. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for December 15th to 27th. Thanks for coming to Jim Only's World of Weather, and have a good day.